Hi guys, today we're gonna be restocking my fridge and Tokuboka. Oh my gosh, it finally loaded. Okay. I guess we're just gonna put our phone there. Wait, then where do I put it? Oh, right. Okay. It's okay. Okay, so we have everything right now. And let's put it, we're definitely not putting my phone in the fridge. So, like, I mean, I'm just saying. Oh, that part is like full of stuff. Okay, pancakes and crackers. I mean, like, to make s'mores, of course. Ooh, some donuts. Yum. Actually, let's keep these milk. Put them there. We can actually... Wait, I thought you were gonna... I thought it can... Oh my gosh, I thought you could put it into the bowl. Into, like, any bowl. Oh! Okay, shish kebab. Oh my gosh. Oh well. Jeez, why is this so hard? What is wrong with you? Like, what is actually wrong with this? I guess I'll put this over here. And we can continue, finally. Oh, it just looks so good. Ooh, instant noodles. Okay, let's keep that there. Then some marshmallows, some crackers, some algae, some marshmallows, some more pancakes. Oh well, who cares? And some of this, and we're done with these. Some of this, some of that, some of this, some of that, some of this, some of that. Oh wait, we can really use this for the gym. Because I just made a new gym, so that's great. Some sodas. And that's it. Now we're gonna do other things. Oops. Oh, why is it like peeking out? Jeez. Finally. Okay. Okay, I guess we're gonna go. Oh, I can finally go upstairs and sit. But I wonder where my daughter is. Wait, let me just get her. Where'd she go? Oh, right, there she is. Oh, hi, Mom. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Did you skip school? No. Wait, you're late to school, aren't you? Get dressed now. I am so disappointed in you. Get dressed now. Okay, fine, Mom. Jeez. Ugh. Whatever. I don't even care about school. What did you say? What did you say? Say that again, and you're gonna be punished. If you say that again, you are gonna be grounded for life. For life. And you know that, right? Huh? Wait, why is my face like that? It's so weird. Anyways, just ignore that. Oh, fine. Don't you ugh me. Don't ugh me. Fine. What? Could you at least give me some space? Fine. It's not my fault. Ugh. Mom's so annoying. Mom is so annoying. Ugh. What did you say about me? What did you say about me? Nothing. You're grounded for lying and saying that I'm annoying. But how does that even make sense? How does that even make sense? Fine. Just need to look for my school uniform. Where is it? Okay, let me just get it from the bottom. Finally, I found it. Put this later. But I just need to do my skincare routine. And drops. Oh no, I need to restock. I need to restock. No, I'll just order online, I guess. Some nail polish. Oh, I definitely need some hair serum. Perfect. What else? I feel like I'm forgetting something though. Where's my drunk elephant? Oh no, where's my drunk elephant? Oh, that's right, I don't have. Oh, there it is. Okay, perfect. And I just need one more thing. I need. Wait, where's my glow recipe? Oh, there it is. I forgot it. No, my Apple Pencil just died again, as always. Oh, it always dies when I'm just making videos. All the time, for some reason. Whatever. Much better. Wait, I forgot what the perfume was called. I forgot. What was the perfume called? I'm having a hard time trying to organize it. Finally! Okay. Wait, but what was it called? I forgot, like, the perfume. Except glow recipe. What? 60 something? Wait, it was called like 60 something. Yeah, it was called 60 something, right? It's like a perfume. What is it called? Oh my gosh, I literally forgot. It's like this thing. Oh my gosh, why am I forgetting? There's this thing that was like Sol de Janeiro. Finally. Okay, just pretend this is Sol de Janeiro 60. Perfect. Now I smell good. Wow, it literally took me just literally hours just to think of one thing. Oh, Need some hand sanitizer. Oh my gosh. Much better. Now my hands are clean and moist. Why did you take so long? Well, because I was doing my routine. Well, don't shout at me. Because I'm the one who can shout at you, but you can't shout at me since I'm older than you. But Mom, you're like 60. Shh! Never talk about my age. Don't talk about my age. But get ready now. Okay, geez, fine. Oh wait, you're ready. Let's go. Okay, come on, let's try it. Wait, how much minutes did I take up? What?